Title: The Golden Fish and the Generous Fisherman. One time mentioned that one fisherman was, river's bank his beautiful house was. His poses an extremely intelligent parrot was, it not only beautiful was but people to their troubles, solution also used to tell. Its fame far and widespread had been. One day fisherman fishes catching was that suddenly his net in an extremely beautiful golden fish came. When fisherman at cutting started, then suddenly fish speaking began, me leave, me leave. Thus, common person like a fish talking, seeing fisherman astonished remain. Fisherman since fundamentally compassionate person was, therefore it to golden fish very compassion came and it in water left. Seeing fish suddenly a very beautiful fairy's form and transformed, and its fisherman's thanks gave, and it told that me a genie by its magic's force golden fish made had and said was that your fate is if someone you caught and cut and eaten or left, good happened that me a kind person's hand landed. Maybe someone else was then me cut and eaten would be. If I life in your any work be able to help, then me remember. Me your help will do. This saying after it flew away. One day same country's king hunt on went. He whole day hunts search and remained, jungle and from coming fishermen's houses near came. When his soldiers to him rare parrot about told, then he astonished remained and it to see wanted. King this parrot much liked. He fisherman to court and called and said that me this rare parrot give. Fisherman much worried was, it said that king safe in this parrot to my life even more dear keeps, me this you how give can. Then king said that me you a palace make and give, but still fisherman not agreed. Then king said then my one bet is that you my two questions answer give, and if you my questions answer not give can then this parrot mine will be, and if you answer give then not only I parrot you near remain will let but so much wealth and riches give will that your 7 generations very comfortable life spend will. Fisherman asked those two questions what are? King said my first question this is that which thing is which one other behind stuck is? And my second question this is that which two things are which first 4 then 2 and then 3 become? King to him 1 week time gave. Fisherman, King's these two questions hearing after home came and worried started. Every time he only those two questions about thing kept. His night's sleep flew away too, but he didn't get the answers to those questions. Eventually, even the parrot kept seeing its master worried. One day, it asked what's the matter finally, tell me, I will tell you the solution to your worries. The fisherman told it his worry and said that tomorrow is the last day, and if by tomorrow morning I don't tell the king the answers to those questions, then he will take you away forever. The parrot kept thinking. Suddenly, it occurred to it that a few days ago the fisherman had told it the incident of the golden fish. It said that he should seek help from that kind-hearted fairy. As soon as the thought of the fairy came to its mind, it pondered and remembered her. In a little while, the same beautiful fairy appeared. The fisherman narrated the whole incident to the fairy. In a minute, the fairy told the fisherman the answers to both questions. He thanked the beautiful fairy and went to bed very comfortably. In the morning, when the king's soldier came to summon the fisherman, he went with them to the court. The king was thinking that the fisherman didn't have the answers to those questions. Now he will hand over his precious parrot to me. The king asked the fisherman, did you bring the answers to my 2 questions? The fisherman replied that you asked the first question, which thing is stuck behind the other? The answer is that they are day and night which are behind each other. You asked the second question, what thing is it that first becomes 4 then 2 and then 3? So, the answer is, those are human legs. When a person is a small child, he walks with 2 hands and 2 feet, meaning he walks with 4 things. Then when he grows up, he walks with legs, and when he becomes old, he walks with 2 legs and a stick. meaning three things. The king, upon hearing the fisherman's answer, was astonished. When he asked who told you the answers to these questions, he told him the incident of the beautiful fairy. Consequently, the king decided to abandon acquiring the parrot and gave the fisherman a lot of wealth and riches. The fisherman happily accepted all the rewards and headed back home. The moral of the story is that kindness and help given to others can lead to unexpected rewards and blessings. The fisherman's compassionate act of sparing the golden fish resulted in him receiving assistance from the fairy when he needed it most. This teaches us the importance of being kind and helpful to others, as it can come back to benefit us in times of need. Additionally, it highlights the significance of seeking help and guidance when faced with challenges, as solutions may come from unexpected sources.